Hi guys, how y'all doing? I hope y'all having an awesome day. So I'm going to show you, turn it down a little bit, Mara, turn it down a little bit. I'm going to show you guys how to make the stocking boots, okay? So remember I told Mara, turn it down some. So I was telling you guys that you just take a pair of these clear heels and then you make these stocking boots. I'm going to show you. See this? And you see how if somebody look at it, they might be thinking, oh, you got on the whole boot. But you make it like a sock. See that? And you just take this stocking boot. Clear heels, put it on. All the supplies came off of Amazon. So this fabric is mesh spandex. So if you're gonna get the clear heels and you're gonna do these, this is mesh. It's really thin where you can see through it. So put in the mesh. See, well, sort of, kind of, but it's really thin. So it's like putting on stockings, but this is how you would make the stocking boots. So you take the fabric. You could take a boot or a sock of your choice. I got to put some elastic in here too so it don't fall down the leg. So, show you what you do. Turn it the wrong side. So you see this? You just sew it just like this. And going all the way down. And boom, these is your stocking boots. And then the simple way, so you don't have to try to do all that glue, buy these clear heels. These is by Cape Robin. Buy these clear heels and put them on. And then this fabric right here, this is rhinestone mesh fabric. I saw this more, get this more off Etsy. Etsy has this. And then you just get it and you do the clear heels and you put them on. So get the mesh, the real thin mesh, because you get a thicker fabric. So you might have to put your things up. So if you wear a 6.5, if you get the thicker fabric, then you probably need to do a 7. So these is a 6.5 because this is nothing but the mesh. So that's how you make these stocking heel boots, and you make it simple. I told y'all once my heels came in, I'll show y'all. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to take it, put it on this fabric, and go take it to the sewing machine. How you like that? Do. How you like that? And go from there. Okay, guys. Thank you, guys. I hope that helps.